Welcome back to our channel. Today, we continue our journey into the fascinating world of the animal kingdom. In this session, we'll dive deep into two of the most primitive yet intriguing phyla, Porifera, the sponges, and Coelenterata, also known as Cnidaria. From the unique canal system in sponges to the powerful stinging cells of jellyfish and corals, this lesson will not only boost your NEET preparation but also expand your appreciation of biodiversity. So, stay focused, take notes, and let's uncover the wonders of early animal evolution together. Before we dive deep into the concept, make sure to refer to the official syllabus and previous year questions, PYQs, from here. These resources will give you a clear picture of what to expect in the NEET exam and help you focus on what truly matters. Understand the weightage. Identify high-yield topics. Learn from PYQ trends. Stay ahead with smart preparation. Remember, smart work begins with knowing what to study. So, take a moment to explore the syllabus and PYQ list, and let's build a strong foundation together. Let's revise the broad classification of the animal kingdom. First, based on the level of organization, the simplest animals, like Porifera, show a cellular level of organization. From Coelenterata onwards, animals show higher levels like tissue, organ, or organ system level of organization. Next, we classify animals based on symmetry. Porifera are asymmetrical, meaning they have no definite shape. Animals like Coelenterata and Cnidaria show radial symmetry, where body parts are arranged around a central axis. From platyhelminths to chordata, animals show bilateral symmetry, which means the body can be divided into mirror halves along one plane. Now let's talk about the body cavity, also called the coelom. Acoelomates have no body cavity. An example is platyhelminths. Pseudocoelomates have a false coelom that's not fully lined by mesoderm. Aschelminths are examples. Coelomates have a true coelom completely lined by mesoderm. Examples include Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. Here's an important note: Echinodermata have bilateral symmetry in the larval stage, but show radial symmetry in the adult stage. Refer to the images for more clarification. Let's explore Phylum Porifera, also known as sponges. These are mostly marine animals, though a few like Spongilla are found in freshwater. They are asymmetrical and exhibit a cellular level of body organization, meaning they are multicellular but lack true tissues and organs. A key feature of Porifera is the canal system. Water enters the body through tiny pores called ostia, flows into a central cavity called the spongocoel, and exits through a larger opening called the osculum. This water flow system helps in nutrition, respiration, and removal of waste. The internal chambers are lined with special flagellated cells called choanocytes or collar cells. Their skeleton is made up of spicules or spongin fibers. Reproduction can be both asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction occurs by fragmentation. In sexual reproduction, sponges are hermaphrodites, meaning the same individual produces both eggs and sperm. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect, meaning the larva is different from the adult. Some common examples of Porifera include Cycon, also known as Sypha, Spongilla the freshwater sponge, and Euspongia, which is the bath sponge. Phylum Coelenterata, also called Cnidaria, includes aquatic animals that are mostly marine and can be either sessile or free-swimming. They exhibit radial symmetry. Have a tissue level of body organization, being diploblastic with two germ layers. A unique feature of cnidarians is the presence of cnidocytes or stinging cells found on their tentacles. These specialized cells help in defense, capturing prey, and anchoring to surfaces. They possess a central gastrovascular cavity that acts as both mouth and anus, allowing for digestion that is partly extracellular and partly intracellular. In corals, a skeleton made of calcium carbonate provides structural support. Cnidarians show two main body forms, polyp, which is cylindrical and sessile as seen in Hydra and Adamsia, and medusa, which is umbrella-shaped and free-swimming like Aurelia. Some species exhibit metagenesis, an alternation between polyp and medusa stages, such as in Obelia. Common examples of this phylum include Phacelia, also known as the Portuguese man-of-war, Adamsia or sea anemone, Pinatula or sea pen, Gorgonia the sea fan, and Meandrina, also called the brain coral. Refer the images for clarification. Let's quickly revise the differences between two animal phyla, Porifera and Coelenterata. Members of Phylum Porifera, commonly known as sponges. They are mostly marine, with some found in freshwater. They exhibit asymmetrical body symmetry. Their body organization is at the cellular level, meaning they lack true tissues and organs. A unique feature of sponges is their canal system, which allows water circulation throughout the body. They do not have a body cavity, and digestion takes place intracellularly. Their skeleton is composed of spicules or spongin fibers. Specialized cells called choanocytes or collar cells help in feeding and circulation. Sponges reproduce asexually through fragmentation, while sexual reproduction is hermaphroditic, with internal fertilization and indirect development. They do not exhibit distinct polyp or medusa forms. Examples of porifera include cycon, spongilla, and euspongia. On the other hand, Phylum Coelenterata, also known as Cnidaria. It includes aquatic animals that are mostly marine. It shows radial symmetry. They have tissue-level organization and are diploblastic, meaning their bodies develop from two primary germ layers. A key feature of cnidarians is the presence of cnidocytes, or stinging cells, on their tentacles. They possess a gastrovascular cavity with a single opening that functions as both mouth and anus. Digestion occurs both extracellularly and intracellularly. In corals, the skeleton is made of calcium carbonate. Their specialized cells are cnidocytes, which contain structures called nematocysts. Asexual reproduction in cnidarians commonly occurs through budding, especially in the polyp form. Sexual reproduction can be external or internal, and many species show metagenesis, which is the alternation between polyp and medusa stages. Examples include Phacelia, Adamsia, Pinatula, Gorgonia, and Meandrina. Let's quickly solve few questions. Question 1. Which one of the following statements is true for sponges? From NEET 2020. Option A. They exhibit tissue-level organization. Option B. They are diploblastic. Option C. They have a coelom. Option D. They have a canal system. Explanation. Sponges belonging to Phylum Porifera exhibit a cellular level of organization and lack true tissues and organs. They are acoelomate, meaning they do not possess a body cavity or coelom. A unique and defining characteristic of sponges is their canal system, which plays a vital role in circulating water throughout the body. This system facilitates feeding, respiration, and the removal of waste, making it essential for their survival and functioning. The correct answer is option D, that is, sponges have canal system. Question 2. Choanocytes are characteristic cells of. From NEET 2016. Option A, coelenterate. Option B, sponges. Option C, echinoderms. Option D, arthropods. Explanation. Choanocytes, also known as collar cells, are flagellated cells that line the inner chambers of sponges. They play a major role in generating water flow and capturing food particles from the surrounding water. These specialized cells are unique to sponges and are not found in any other animal phylum, making them a key distinguishing feature of Phylum Porifera. The correct answer is option B, that is, choanocytes are characteristic cells of sponges. Question 3. Metagenesis is observed in. From NEET 2021. Option A, Obelia. Option B, Hydra. Option C, Aurelia. Option D. All of the above. Explanation. Metagenesis is the alternation of generations between asexual polyp and sexual medusa forms. Obelia exhibits true metagenesis, showing both polyp and medusa stages in its life cycle. Hydra, on the other hand, exists only in the polyp form and does not undergo metagenesis. Aurelia, a jellyfish, has a complex life cycle, but it does not show typical metagenesis like Obelia. The correct answer is option A, that is, metagenesis is observed in Obelia. Question 4. Cnidarians use cnidoblasts for. From NEET 2018. Option A, excretion. Option B, defense and prey capture. Option C, digestion. Option D, respiration. Explanation. Cnidarians such as jellyfish and corals have specialized cells called cnidoblasts or cnidocytes located on their tentacles. These cells contain nematocysts, which are stinging structures used for defense and capturing prey. They are not involved in excretion, respiration, or digestion, making them a unique and defining feature of phylum. The correct answer is option B, that is, cnidarians use cnidoblasts for defense and prey capture. Question 5. Which of the following is a freshwater sponge? Option A, cycon. Option B, spongilla. Option C, euspongia. Option D, leucoselenia. Explanation. Spongilla is the only commonly known freshwater sponge, while cycon and leucoselenia are marine. Euspongia, also known as the bath sponge, is marine as well. The correct answer is option B, that is, spongilla is a freshwater sponge. Question 6. Which of the following shows alternation of generations, metagenesis? Option A, Hydra. Option B, Obelia. Option C, Adamsia. Option D, Phasalia. Explanation. Only Obelia undergoes metagenesis, alternating between the polyp form, which is asexual, and the medusa form, which is sexual. Hydra has only one polyp form. Adamsia is a sea anemone and exists only as a polyp. Phasalia is a colonial organism, but it doesn't undergo typical metagenesis. The correct answer is option B, that is, Obelia shows alternation of generations, that is, metagenesis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check it out first. It is linked in the description and in the cards too, so you understand the basics before diving deeper. All the notes are available via the Linktree, link in the description. Explore the full playlist on our channel for this chapter, and don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series for quick and effective revision. More parts are coming soon, so stay tuned and stay updated. Follow us on all our social media platforms so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.